Hey, hello guys. Welcome to IQ Civil Science Academy. A great coach transforms life. Today we are going to discuss two important topics. One is cervical cancer. It is very important when it comes to the reproductive health of the female. And another is diabetes, which is the most common disease across the world, but the number of people with diabetes in India are increasing day by day. So it is a very important disease for us as a society as well as for UPSC examination. So this topic will be covered by Dr. Sachin Kadam, that is me, a faculty at IQ Civil Science Academy Guwahati. About IQ Civil Science Academy, IQ Civil Science Academy is involved in training meritorious student in collaboration with Assam sorry, Assam Administrative Staff College and Assam government, and we have trained more than 300 plus students in these government programs. So the quality of teaching that is available at IQ Civil Science Academy is unmatched in any coaching institute in Northeast India. That you need to keep in mind. This is our Google review, 4.9 star, and that is a really good review. Okay, this is our elite panel of faculties from Delhi that includes Sunil Jha sir, Sachin Kadam sir, Anuj Singh sir, Alok Kumar sir, Yogesh Sharma sir, Rizwan Alam sir, Vikram Singh sir, Nitin Kumar sir, and more. Our offline and online batches are starting from 6th September, 13th September, and 20th September. You can join our offline batch in Guwahati, and for that, you need to register yourself at IQ Civil Science Academy. And for registration, contact on this number, Director Anuj Singh, contact on this number, Admissions Manager Vishal Sharma, and contact on this number, Front Officer Anuradha Saikia. This is our YouTube channel. You need to subscribe to this YouTube channel. You need to like this video, share this video, and do join our Telegram channel जिसकी लिंक इस क्लास के एंड में आपको शेयर की जाएगी, where you can get the PDF free of cost जो आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं. Okay, so why today we are going to discuss about cervical cancer. The reason is there was a news, and the news was indigenous cervical cancer vaccine ready, set to part of government's immunization drive. The basic story is that there is one famous institute in India whose name is known to nearly every Indian after COVID-19, and the name of that institute is Serum Institute of India. So this SII, which is based in Pune, has developed a vaccine that can prevent cervical cancer. It is a very good news, guys. There are two positives in this. Number one, this vaccine is developed indigenously. This is first positive. And second, it is going to be one of the most cost effective and affordable cervical cancer vaccines. And in COVID-19, India showed to the world that no one can match India's capacities when it comes to the vaccine production. So now you know the background why we are discussing about cervical cancer, because indigenous vaccine against cervical cancer is developed. Who developed this vaccine? This vaccine is developed by Serum Institute of India. And one very important thing, cervical cancer is caused by a virus. It is unique, guys. See, cancer can be caused by chemicals, cancer can be caused by viruses, cancer can be caused by mutations, and there are many things. We call them carcinogens. The first thing that you need to remember is that cancer can be caused by gene as well. So the thing is that virus can cause cancer, and the viruses that cause cancer, we call them oncovirus. Okay, remember, whenever we use the term onco, we are talking about cancer. For example, oncology. Yeah, if someone is a specialist in cancer, so we call him oncologist, right? So virus that causes cancer is oncovirus. a gene that causes cancer is a oncogene. Okay, so first point that you need to remember is that cervical cancer is caused by human papilloma virus, and the vaccine that is developed by Serum Institute of India, this vaccine will be used against this virus. Okay, and Union Government of India is also planning to introduce this cervical cancer vaccine in universal immunization program. Now I will show you what exactly universal immunization program is. You need not to remember everything in detail, but yes, if there is a term called universal immunization program, so we should go through it and we should know कि which diseases are covered under universal immunization program. This is important for your UPSC preliminary examination as well as it is important for your state services examination. Okay, so in universal immunization program, if you can see here, when woman is pregnant, so in pregnant woman we give tetanus toxoid vaccines 3 doses, TT1, TT2 and TT booster. Okay, after delivery, as soon as the baby gets birth, this tetanus toxoid vaccine is against tetanus. As soon as baby gets birth, the first dose of the vaccine that is injected to the newborn baby is called BCG, Bacillus calmette guerin. It is the vaccine against TB, that is tuberculosis, at birth or as early as possible till 1 year of age. Then hepatitis B vaccine is also given at birth. Then oral polio vaccines are given one after another, and you know कि पहले तो ऐसा था इंडिया में कि every year oral polio vaccine we used to give. Then there is one pentavalent vaccine. This pentavalent vaccine contains antibodies, or this pentavalent vaccine provides uh, protection against 5 diseases. So what are those 5 diseases? Pentavalent vaccine in India. Okay, आ जाएगा. So this pentavalent vaccine, one thing. Then rotavirus, it is recently introduced. इससे पहले रोटावायरस इंट्रोड्यूस नहीं किया था. पहले रोटावायरस वायरस वैक्सीन नहीं दी जाती थी. 2019 से रोटावायरस वैक्सीन दी जा रही है. देन आईपीवी मतलब इंटरमस्क्यूलर पोलियो वैक्सीन. इंट्रामस्क्यूलर मींस यहाँ पे पोलियो की वैक्सीन हम दो तरीके से देते हैं. एक, पोलियो की वैक्सीन दी जाती है थ्रू ओरल रूट, एंड दूसरा पोलियो की वैक्सीन दी जाती है थ्रू इंजेक्शन. तो दैट इज आईपीवी. सॉरी गाइज, मेरा ना थ्रोट इन्फेक्शन है, तो आई होप यू गाइज अंडरस्टैंड. In pentavalent vaccine, we give this vaccine against diphtheria, tetanus, whooping cough, hepatitis B, and Haemophilus influenza type B. These are the 5 diseases that are protected when we give pentavalent vaccine. So under universal immunization program, we are protecting pregnant women from tetanus, we are protecting infants from TB, hepatitis B, polio, then diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus, hepatitis B, and Haemophilus influenza B virus. We are also protecting the children from rotavirus that causes diarrhea in the newborn babies. We are also giving vaccine against measles. Then we are also giving vaccine against Japanese encephalitis. But for your information, this Japanese encephalitis vaccine is not given across India, because Japanese encephalitis, this disease is more common in the Tarai belt of India. So this vaccine is not given to everyone. Then we also provide vaccine against vitamin A that help us to prevent night blindness in the children's. Then DPT मतलब diphtheria, pertussis and tetanus, measles, पोलियो, जापानीज इंसेफ्लाइटिस. तो ये सब अगर आप देखोगे ना, तो मैं आपको बस इतना पता होना चाहिए कि अंडर यूनिवर्सल इम्यूनाइजेशन प्रोग्राम vaccines are given against which diseases? So under universal immunization program, vaccines are given against tetanus, vaccines are given against tuberculosis, vaccines are given against polio, vaccines are given against pertussis, whooping cough, tetanus, hepatitis B, Haemophilus influenza type B, as well as vaccines are given against measles, vaccines are given against Japanese encephalitis, vaccines are given against rotavirus, and now we are planning to introduce a vaccine against cervical cancer in universal immunization program. That is what this news is talking about. So अब तक आपको क्या क्या याद रखना है कि Serum Institute of India has developed an indigenous vaccine against cervical cancer. Cervical cancer is caused by human papilloma virus. Then Government of India is planning to introduce this cervical cancer vaccine in universal immunization program. आगे चलते हैं. The name of the vaccine is Cervavac, not difficult to remember. Cerva for cervical and Vac for vaccine. It was developed by SII with the support of the Department of Biotechnology. तो Serum Institute of India and DBT both have developed what? Vaccine against cervical cancer. It will likely to be priced between 200 and 400 per dose. अब यहाँ पे भी एक इंटरेस्टिंग चीज मैं आपको बताता हूँ, शो कर देता हूँ कि नॉर्मली जो अभी करंटली सर्वाइकल कैंसर के अगेंस्ट जो वैक्सीन है ना मार्केट में, ग्लोबल मार्केट में, इट कॉस्ट 2500 to 3000 rupees per dose. Okay, लेकिन vaccine developed by Serum Institute of India, which is indigenously developed, it will cost only 200 to 400 rupees per dose. तो मैंने आपको दो important point बताए थे इस वैक्सीन के बारे में. क्या? नंबर वन, it is indigenously developed, and number two, it is affordable, cost effective. तो अगर फीमेल को सर्वाइकल कैंसर से बचाना है तो हाउ मेनी डोसेस ऑफ दिस वैक्सीन आर नीडेड? तो दिस वैक्सीन, द डोज, 2 doses of this vaccine are needed. So before I go ahead, what you need to remember from this slide: cervical cancer is caused by human papilloma virus. Serum Institute of India has developed indigenous and affordable vaccine against cervical cancer, and Government of India is planning to introduce this vaccine in universal immunization program. Under universal immunization program, we are protecting children and pregnant women and our population from tetanus, tuberculosis, hepatitis B, polio, pertussis, whooping cough, Haemophilus influenza type B, diphtheria, measles, and rotavirus, and Japanese encephalitis. Okay, HPV vaccine will be given in 2 doses. Let's go ahead. Now you should know ki what is cervical cancer, what is cervix and all. So this is female reproductive system, which includes 2 ovaries. So this is 1 ovary and this is second ovary. It includes 1 uterus. Uterus is also called womb. Why? Because baby grows in the uterus, so we call this womb. देन एंट्री पॉइंट ऑफ दिस यूटेरस, मतलब जहां से यूटेरस में कोई भी चीज एंटर करती है, दैट इज सर्विक्स. तो नॉर्मली सर्विक्स इज नोन एज द डोर ऑफ द यूटेरस, और इसके बाहर होता है वजाइना. दिस वजाइना इज नोन एज बर्थ कैनाल. क्या कहते हैं इसे? बर्थ कैनाल. एंड इस वजाइना के बियॉन्ड फिर आपको जो एक्सटर्नली दिखता है ना, जिसे हम एक्सटर्नल फीमेल जेनाइटेलिया कहते हैं, that is known as labia majora and labia minora. Okay, तो हमें इतने डिटेल में जाने की जरूरत नहीं. What you need to remember, where exactly cervix is located? Cervix is located at the junction of the uterus and vagina. इनके जंक्शन पे यहाँ पे आपको cervix मिलेगा. इसी cervix में जब HPV ह्यूमन पैपिलोमा वायरस इन्फेक्ट कर देता है, तो यही HPV इस सर्विक्स से क्या करता है? कैंसरस टिश्यू डेवलप करता है. और जब ये कैंसरस टिश्यू डेवलप होता है तो दिस हैपन्स, दिस इज वजाइना, दिस इज सर्विक्स, दिस इज ओवरी, दिस इज यूटेरस, cervix got infected with HPV virus, and that led to the development of cancer tissue. Cancer is found only in the cervix and not in vagina or uterus or ovary. Cancerous cells have spread to the upper part of the vagina or the tissue around the uterus. So now from here these cancerous cells will start growing up and down into the vagina and into the uterus. Cancer has spread to the lower part of the vagina or the pelvic side wall. Cancerous cells may have also spread to the lymph nodes in the pelvis. अब ये reproductive system से बाहर आ गया cancer and now it is spreading into the pelvis. In last stages, the cervical cancer can spread to the bladder, that is urinary bladder, to the rectum, that is the place where we store our feces, to the abdomen, to the liver or to the lungs. इसीलिए जितने जल्दी कैंसर का डायग्नोसिस हो एनी कैंसर, उतना जल्दी ट्रीटमेंट करना भी पॉसिबल होता है एंड इट इज इजी टू एलिमिनेट कैंसर कंप्लीटली. नहीं तो कैंसर ट्रीट करना पॉसिबल नहीं है. तो अब आपको सर्विक्स क्या है पता चल गया सभी को. सर्वाइकल कैंसर इज कॉज्ड बाय ह्यूमन पैपिलोमा वायरस. Serum Institute of India has developed indigenous and affordable 2-dose vaccine against cervical cancer. Cervix is located at the junction of uterus and vagina. So a cancer of cervix is caused by HPV virus, which can which can spread to the uterus, to the vagina, to the pelvis and to the lungs as well. Now ये हो गया आपके दो बेसिक्स. अब हम वापस आते हैं न्यूज पे. नाउ व्हाट इज HPV, ह्यूमन पैपिलोमा वायरस क्या है? तो रिमेंबर it is STD or STI, मतलब sexually transmitted disease or sexually transmitted infection. So HPV is a common sexually transmitted infection, cervical cancer caused by persistence of certain high risk strains of HPV. Now it is very important, HPV वायरस की अलग अलग स्ट्रेन्स है. जैसे अभी आपने कोविड में देखा ना, डेल्टा, ओमेगा, कितने सारे स्ट्रेन्स आए ना. वायरस तो एक ही था, SARS-CoV-2, बट उस वायरस के अलग अलग स्ट्रेन्स थे. उसी तरह HPV के देर आर मल्टीपल स्ट्रेन्स, बट not all strains are responsible for cancer. Some strains of HPV virus cause cancer and some don't. Okay, so cervical cancer caused by persistence of certain high risk strains of HPV is the second biggest killer among cancers in women in India after breast cancer. मैंने ये पहले ही बताया है, इंडिया में biggest killer of woman is breast cancer and second biggest killer is cervical cancer. Okay, Serum Institute of India CEO Adar Poonawalla, on the sidelines of an event to mark the scientific completion of the vaccine, said the government of India will induct it in a few months in the national program. I already told you it is affordable and it has only 2 doses. So इस पूरे स्लाइड से आपको एक important point पता चला, that is human papilloma virus is sexually transmitted infection or sexually transmitted disease. Okay, then two officials requesting anonymity told the Indian Express that the government was working on rolling out an HPV vaccination drive which would be part of the universal immunization program for girls between the age of 9 and 14. Very important. अगर ये सर्वाइकल कैंसर के अगेंस्ट की वैक्सीन देनी है तो किसे दी जाएगी? फर्स्ट, इट विल बी एडमिनिस्टर्ड ओनली टू फीमेल एंड नॉट मेल. लेकिन कौन सी फीमेल? whose age is between 9 to 14 years. This is the time when normally menstrual cycle starts in female. So जो फीमेल या जिन फीमेल को menstrual cycle start होने की possibility है, ऐसे फीमेल्स में सर्वाइकल कैंसर की वैक्सीन दी जाएगी. ठीक है, जिसका नाम है सर्वैक. तो रिमेंबर 9 to 14 year, this is the age limit to administer cervical cancer vaccine. The indigenously developed QHPV vaccine may be considered for introduction in UIP, that is Universal Immunization Program, as a 2-dose regimen. आगे चलते हैं. The country's drug regulator approved the vaccine in July after examining the data of its immunogenicity trials. Now, what is the meaning of immunogenicity? जब भी आप कोई वैक्सीन देते हो किसी को, whenever you administer any vaccine to a person, after administering that vaccine, if your immune system responds to that vaccine very strongly, so we call the immunogenicity of that vaccine is very high. And if you administer the vaccine and your immune system do not respond to that vaccine very strongly, so we call ki immunogenicity of that vaccine is weak. Clear? So which type of vaccines are more useful? So those vaccines which have strong immunogenicity, जिनमें strong immunogenicity है, ऐसी वैक्सीन हम प्रेफर करेंगे ना, करेंगे कि नहीं, कि अदरवाइज वीक इम्यूनोजेनिसिटी से तो आपको इम्यूनिटी मिलेगी ही नहीं, राइट? At the trials, the response of Serum Institute of India vaccine was compared to Merck's गार्डसिल क्वाड्रीवैलेंट वैक्सीन. क्वाड्रीवैलेंट का मतलब क्या है? 4 वायरस के अगेंस्ट प्रोटेक्शन देता है. तो आगे चले. अब यहां से आपको बस इतना पता करना था, what is the meaning of immunogenicity, and vaccine against cervical cancer will be administered to whom? Girls between the age of 9 to 14. Let's go ahead. Nawala said that the vaccine is likely to be priced between 200 and 400 per dose. I already told you, which is much cheaper compared to the global market rate, which are close to 2500 to 3300. Serum Institute vaccine will be provided to the government first, followed by the market and then globally, with the company aiming to manufacture 200 million doses over the next 2 years. Not at all important. Cost had been a major hurdle in rolling out universal immunization for HPV, but now we are getting the cost-effective and affordable vaccine against HPV, so now cost will not be an issue. Dr. Rajesh Gokhale, Secretary, Department of Biotechnology, told the Indian Express that antibodies developed after the 2 doses can last between 6 and 7 years. So remember, when we administer vaccine, we actually administer disease causing agent, and in medical language disease causing agent is known as antigen or pathogen. Now when you inject disease causing agent, अब वैक्सीन में हम ये इंश्योर करते हैं कि दो इट इज अ डिसीज कॉजिंग एजेंट, इट विल नॉट बी एबल टू कॉज डिसीज. तो हम एंटीजन इंजेक्ट करते हैं. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस एंटीजन our immune system produces some proteins in response to these antigens and we call those proteins antibody. और जब तक हमारे ब्लड में ये एंटीबॉडी रहेगी तब तक we are protected against that particular disease. So when you give 2 doses of Cervac, so these 2 doses will produce antibodies that can remain in the blood of that girl for 6 to 7 years. Means there is no need of booster dose immediately. और अगर need भी है तो हम वो booster dose कब दे सकते हैं? After 6 to 7 years. Immediately देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. But if you observe in COVID-19, मैंने SARS-CoV-2 की कोविशील्ड नाम की वैक्सीन ली है. तो पहला डोज लिया, फिर आई थिंक 2 या 3 मंथ के बाद सेकेंड डोज लिया, और अभी 3 मंथ कंप्लीट हो गए तो नाउ दे आर आस्किंग मी टू गेट बूस्टर डोज. तो इस केस में आपको बूस्टर डोज इमीडिएटली देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज लाइफ ऑफ एंटीबॉडीज इन दिस वैक्सीन इज 6 to 7 years. Okay, so that antibodies developed after the two doses can last between 6 and 7 years, and unlike COVID-19 vaccines, boosters may not be required for the cervical cancer vaccine. This indicates India's tremendous capacity to develop vaccine. This is already shown to the world. There is no country in the world that can match the development and manufacturing of vaccines in India. This is a much needed, low cost, affordable, quadrivalent HPV वैक्सीन. पहली बात लो कॉस्ट है, दूसरा अफोर्डेबल है, तीसरा क्वाड्रिवैलेंट है. क्वाड्रिवैलेंट का मतलब क्या है? इट प्रोवाइड्स प्रोटेक्शन अगेंस्ट 4 वायरसेस. ओके, HPV वायरस के बहुत सारे स्ट्रेन्स है. नॉट एवरी स्ट्रेन इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर कैंसर. तो जिन 4 स्ट्रेन्स की वजह से कैंसर होता है, उन चारों वायरसेस के अगेंस्ट एक सिंगल वैक्सीन आपको क्या दे रही है? प्रोटेक्शन दे रही है. इसलिए हम उसे क्या कह रहे हैं? क्वाड्रीवैलेंट HPV वैक्सीन. That will help prevent cervical cancer deaths in India and globally. Union Science Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh, a medical doctor himself, said at Thursday's event that this was a big step in preventive healthcare. Remember, any vaccine you are giving it for any disease, that vaccine is an example of preventive healthcare. Okay, that is an example of preventive health care. Just keep that in mind. In the country, the HPV vaccines can prevent infection but cannot clear it once it happens. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? ये आपका सर्विक्स है, यहाँ पे HPV वायरस का इन्फेक्शन नहीं है, एंड तब आपने अगर ये वैक्सीन एडमिनिस्टर की तो उस पर्सन, उस फीमेल को कभी भी कैंसर नहीं होगा, सर्वाइकल कैंसर. लेकिन अगर यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी HPV वायरस प्रेजेंट है और उसके बाद आपने वैक्सीन दी, कोई यूज नहीं है, दैट इज यूजलेस. ठीक है, इसलिए हम क्या कह रहे हैं? HPV वैक्सीन इज अ पार्ट ऑफ प्रिवेंटिव हेल्थ केयर. ओके, द HPV वैक्सीन्स कैन प्रिवेंट इन्फेक्शन but cannot clear it once it happens. For older individuals, 3 doses are recommended. So if a female is between 9 to 14 years, 2 doses are enough, and if a female is older than 14 years or she is 18, 25 or 30, in that case 3 doses can be administered to prevent cervical cancer. Cool, chalo आगे. Now why it is important for India? This cervical cancer vaccine is important. Why? Because India accounts for about a fifth of the global burden of cervical cancer. मतलब अगर दुनिया में 5 लोगों को या 5 फीमेल को सर्वाइकल कैंसर है, तो उसमें से एक फीमेल कौन है? इंडियन है. तो इन इंडिया द बर्डन ऑफ सर्वाइकल कैंसर इज वेरी लार्ज. इंडिया में नियरली 1.25 लाख केसेस है और इसमें से 75,000 की डेथ होती है. मतलब 75,000 फीमेल्स die because of cervical cancer in India, and this cervical cancer can be prevented by using this affordable, cost-effective, indigenously developed cervical cancer vaccine called Cervac, which is developed by Serum Institute of India. Okay, Serum Institute vaccine is quadrivalent, meaning it protects against the 4 most common strains of the virus known to cause cancer, that is HPV 16 causes cancer, HPV 18 causes cancer, HPV 6 causes cancer, and HPV 11 also causes cancer. और इंडिया में 83% cases of cervical cancer are of HPV 16 or HPV 18. Clear? Now, before I go ahead, I would like to show you what actually causes cervical cancer. What are the causes of cervical cancer? We will check them out and then we will stop. I hope this video will help you a lot. आपके कांटेक्ट में जितनी भी फीमेल होगी, यंग फीमेल होगी, You should share this video with these young females so that they can take care of their हेल्थ, वो अपने हेल्थ का ख्याल रखेगी, ठीक है। सो सर्वाइकल कैंसर का पॉजिटिव एजेंट तो आपको पता है ह्यूमन पैपिलोमा वायरस, बट इट इज नॉर्मली कॉज्ड बिकॉज ऑफ पुअर क्लीनलीनेस। क्योंकि देखो फीमेल को एवरी मंथ क्या होता है, मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल आती है, ब्लीडिंग होती है, तो जब ब्लीडिंग होगी तो ऑब्वियसली देर इज अ मोर पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ इन्फेक्शंस। तो अगर आपने क्लीनलीनेस मेंटेन नहीं किया, पैड यूज नहीं किए, तो that can easily lead to the cervical cancer. Okay, so it is very important to keep your reproductive system clean and without infection. Okay, yes, great. So this is all about cervical cancer. अब मैं आपको शॉर्ट में क्रक्स में बता देता हूँ कि आज हमने क्या क्या पढ़ा और आपको क्या क्या याद रखना है। नंबर 1, Serum Institute of India has developed an indigenous affordable vaccine against cervical cancer. The name of the vaccine is Cervavac. Cervical cancer is caused by human papilloma virus, that is HPV virus. Government of India is planning to introduce HPV vaccine in universal immunization program that already protects our population from tetanus, tuberculosis, polio, hepatitis B, pertussis, whooping cough, Haemophilus influenza type B, and Japanese encephalitis, and rotavirus, and many more diseases. This vaccine developed by Serum Institute of India, it is a 2-dose vaccine. Cervix, what exactly cervix is, you know now. Then human papilloma virus or HPV is a common sexually transmitted infection, and it is the second biggest killer among cancers in women after breast cancer. Then this HPV vaccine or Cervavac will be administered to the girls between the age of 9 and 14. It can be administered to the adult woman as well, but in that case we need to increase the number of doses, and that is 3 doses. When we administer 2 doses of this Cervavac vaccine, antibodies remain in the body of that girl for next 6 to 7 years, so there might not be need of a booster dose like COVID-19. Then next is the burden of cervical cancer in India is very high. The vaccine developed by Serum Institute of India is quadrivalent. Now what is the meaning of quadrivalent? The meaning of quadrivalent is it provides protection against 4 types of viruses or 4 types of HPV viruses: HPV 16, HPV 18, HPV 6 and HPV 11. In India, which strains of human papilloma virus are more common? HPV 16 and HPV 18. Clear? तो this is all about cervical cancer. अब इसके बाद जो टॉपिक हमें डिस्कस करना है, that topic is diabetes. But before we start discussing this, let me explain you what exactly diabetes is. Okay. So basically, diabetes is increase in the glucose level. When the glucose level in your blood increases, so we call that diabetes. Now why the level of glucose in blood increases? Because इस ग्लूकोज की जो लेवल है ना, वो मेंटेन करने का काम दो हार्मोन करते हैं. वन इज ग्लूकागॉन एंड अनदर इज इंसुलिन. If the level of glucose in blood goes up, तो insulin secrete होता है, and this insulin is responsible for reducing the concentration of glucose in blood. If the level of glucose in our blood goes down, drop हो जाती है, तो this glucagon hormone is secreted, and this glucagon hormone increases the level of glucose in our blood. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि अगर आपके ब्लड में ग्लूकोज की लेवल बढ़ रही है, मतलब आपके ब्लड में इंसुलिन एक तो अब्सेंट है या फिर वो प्रेजेंट है, लेकिन योर बॉडी इज नॉट रिस्पॉन्डिंग टू दैट इंसुलिन. दोनों में से एक ही हो सकता है ना. व्हाई? बिकॉज इंसुलिन इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर रिड्यूसिंग द लेवल ऑफ ग्लूकोज और कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ ग्लूकोज इन ब्लड, बट द ग्लूकोज इन ब्लड इज इंक्रीजिंग. It means either insulin is absent or insulin is present but our body is not responding to that insulin. इसी बेस पे डायबिटीज की दो टाइप की है, वन इज टाइप 1 एंड टाइप 2, उसमें बाद में जाएंगे. तो हु सिक्रीट्स इंसुलिन? The hormone that is responsible for reducing the level of glucose in blood. This hormone is secreted by beta cells, and these beta cells are present in pancreas. ये जो आपको दिख रहे हैं ना, ये जो ऑर्गन दिख रहा है आपको, this organ is pancreas. इस pancreas में अल्फा सेल, बीटा सेल एंड डेल्टा सेल होती है. टीका सेल भी होती है, एज वेल एज एंजोक्राइन एक्सोक्राइन पैनक्रियाज भी होते हैं. सिक्रेशन ऑफ दिस पार्ट आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर डाइजेशन. ये जो दो है ना, these two are responsible for digestion. These two hormones are responsible for maintaining glucose level, मतलब कम भी नहीं होने देते एंड बढ़ने भी नहीं देते. एंड ये जो आपका सोमैटोस्टैटिन है, इसके बारे में मुझे भी सर्च करना पड़ेगा, तो मैं आपको अभी यहाँ बता देता हूँ. व्हाट इज डायबिटीज? व्हेन द लेवल ऑफ ग्लूकोज इन योर ब्लड increases, we call that person got diabetes. Why the level of glucose in blood increases? It can increase because of two reasons. Number one, insulin is not secreted by your body, or number two, insulin is secreted by your body but your body is not responding to that insulin. तो ये इंसुलिन कहाँ से आता है? Insulin is secreted by beta cells present in the pancreas, and insulin is responsible for reducing glucose level in our body. तो on the basis of कि why the glucose level in blood is increasing, it is not decreasing, हमने डायबिटीज की दो टाइप की है, टाइप 1 डायबिटीज एंड टाइप 2 डायबिटीज. देखो टाइप 1 में क्या होता है, योर बॉडी इज नो लॉन्गर एबल टू प्रोड्यूस इंसुलिन. मतलब पर्सन ए है और इस पर्सन ए की बॉडी इंसुलिन प्रोड्यूस ही नहीं कर रही, तो ऑब्वियसली द लेवल ऑफ ग्लूकोज इन पर्सन एज ब्लड विल इंक्रीज, एंड व्हेन द ग्लूकोज लेवल इन ब्लड इंक्रीजेस वी से कि दैट पर्सन हैज डायबिटीज. तो ये डायबिटीज हम कैसे ट्रीट कर सकते हैं? वी इंजेक्ट इंसुलिन फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. तो अगर आपके घर में किसी को डायबिटीज है एंड इफ दैट पर्सन इज टेकिंग इंसुलिन एज अ मेडिसिन, मतलब दैट पर्सन हैज टाइप 1 डायबिटीज. देन देर इज टाइप 2 डायबिटीज. इसमें क्या होता है, योर बॉडी स्टिल प्रोड्यूसेस इंसुलिन, आपकी बॉडी इंसुलिन बना रही है बट इट डज नॉट मेक इनफ ऑफ इट और इट डज नॉट यूज इट एफिशिएंटली. मतलब इंसुलिन आपके बॉडी में है लेकिन आपकी बॉडी उस इंसुलिन को प्रॉपरली यूज नहीं कर रही है, या जितना इंसुलिन रिलीज हो रहा है दैट इज नॉट इनफ एंड योर बॉडी इज नॉट यूजिंग इंसुलिन एफिशिएंटली. तो उसे कहते हैं टाइप 2 डायबिटीज. अब अगर पर्सन ए को टाइप 1 डायबिटीज है तो वी कैन ट्रीट डायबिटीज ऑफ पर्सन ए बाय इंजेक्टिंग इंसुलिन. बट अगर देर इज पर्सन बी, ओके, if there is person B, this person B has type 2 diabetes, so you cannot treat type 2 diabetes by injecting insulin because इस पर्सन के बॉडी में ऑलरेडी इंसुलिन है. तो आप बाहर से इंसुलिन इंजेक्ट करोगे तब भी कोई फायदा नहीं है. तो इन दिस केस व्हाट वी डू, वी ऑप्ट फॉर हाइपोग्लाइसेमिक मेडिसिन. नाउ हाइपो का मतलब होता है लो, ग्लाइसेमिक का मतलब ग्लूकोज. सो ऐसा मेडिसिन जो हमारे बॉडी में ग्लूकोज लेवल रिड्यूस करता है उसे कहते हैं हाइपोग्लाइसेमिक मेडिसिन, दैट इज एडमिनिस्टर्ड. सो आई होप यू गॉट फेयर आइडिया अबाउट व्हाट इज टाइप 1 डायबिटीज एंड व्हाट इज टाइप 2 डायबिटीज. ओके, बाकी ये हाउ टू रिवर्स डायबिटीज, व्हाट इज रिकमेंडेड बाय द ICMR, all these things we will discuss in tomorrow's lecture, and in tomorrow's lecture we will also discuss some topics from the environment and ecology. So Guys, we are starting our new batches from 6th September, then 20 September and 29 September. Let me confirm the dates. Yes, sorry, 6, 13 and 20. So guys, we are starting our new batches from 6th of September, 13th of September and 20 September. We have offline as well as online presence. So you can join our offline batch if you are in Guwahati. You can join our online batch in from anywhere in India. To register, you need to call on this number 7982, Director Anuj Sir, 93919 विशाल शर्मा एंड 6350 अनुराधा. इन तीनों में से किसी भी नंबर पे कॉल कीजिए, खुद को रजिस्टर कीजिए and get assured quality coaching or content for your UPSC as well as a state public service commission or SPSC. Okay, so that's it from my side, guys. Thank you very much. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and join our Telegram channel for the PDFs. So that's it from my side, guys. Bye bye, take care, sayonara.